Hi friends, welcome to today's video tutorial on the problem sums. This question here is about an angles folded paper question. Now this kind of question is trending, so it's good if you can actually know how to do it and the concepts behind such questions. You can actually find this exact same question in ACS Junior 2019 P6 CA1 Maths exam. Let's discuss. A piece of paper in the shape of a parallelogram ABCD is folded as shown. Alright, so originally you have this parallelogram ABCD, okay, and you have folded it. Now when you fold it, this section here will go to this side. Alright, and this section right here will be folded into this side. Alright, so it is important to, number one, understand the concept of parallelogram. Number two, know what is happening when you're folding. Alright, for example, look at this second arrow that I've drawn. Okay, when I fold it this way, if X is there, over here will have to be the same angle as well. Because whatever was here initially, you have actually you just have transferred that particular set of paper, that particular section of paper, you have put it here. Which means that if over here is X, okay, look at this black arrow, okay? If over here is X, this one here has to be X as well. Likewise, look at the very first arrow that I drawn earlier. Okay, this particular section have merely been transferred to this side here. Okay, so over here, this black angle and this black angle here has to have the same value. Okay, so take note of that as we are doing this question. Okay, so very first question, find the angle X. So as I've mentioned, over here will have to be X as well. Alright, and using the properties of a parallelogram, okay, you will have to know this as well, that when you add these two angles A and B, if they are on opposite sides of your parallel pair, okay, A plus B will have to be equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so likewise, if I want to find X, I need to take 180 degrees minus 111 degrees. This will give me angle ABC. Alright? So angle ABC, we can actually determine it to be 69 degrees, which is this entire red section. Okay, so since I want to find X, I need to take away 27. So 69 degrees take away 27 degrees. This will amount to 42 degrees. And this 42 degrees is double of X. Alright, so if you want to draw a model to explain this, you can. So X, this section here is 42 degrees. So if you just want to find X, not double X, just X. X will be 42 degrees divided by 2. You're going to get 21 degrees. First answer is done. So over here is 21 degrees. Another tip I have for you, when you have angles question, right? When you achieve a certain value, try and put it back in the diagram. Take a pencil, put it back in the diagram. Okay, now the next part. First one is done, X is done. Find angle Y. So angle Y is over here. As I've mentioned earlier, this particular section, which I'm going to use green now, this section, you have folded it inside here. So it becomes this. Alright, and for a parallelogram, okay, use this example I've drawn here on the top right. For a parallelogram, angles on across, okay, angles on adjacent sides like this, okay, or angles looking across the parallelogram will be exactly equal to each other. Okay, so over here will have to be A as well. So for example, in this question, right, if we have 111 degrees here, at the corner here will also be exactly the same. Alright, if this is 69 degrees, at the corner here will also be 69 degrees. This works for parallelogram. It also works for a rhombus as well. Take note of this property, angle property. Okay, so what this means is that I know the value of this green angle, 111 degrees, which is also folded inside. Alright, I can use angles in a triangle, adds up to 180 degrees to find angle Y. Okay, so angle Y is just 180 degrees minus 21 degrees minus 111 degrees. Let's see what this amounts to. 48 degrees. Okay, so that's how we approach this angles question on the folded paper. Alright, pause this video, try this question out. Again, I hope it helps. Thank you very much.